Do you know many people are having trouble with their Lincoln Electric Easy MIG 140 not powering up? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power source. Check if the machine is properly plugged into a functioning power source and ensure the power switch is turned on. Step 2. Reset circuit breaker. Inspect your home's circuit breaker and reset it if tripped. Verify there are no blown fuses affecting the machine's power. Step 3. Cool down machine. Allow the machine to cool if it may have overheated, then try turning it on again after a few minutes. Step 4. Clear obstructions. Ensure the air vents and gun trigger connections are clear of obstructions, and check if these components function correctly. By following these steps, your Lincoln Electric Easy MIG 140 should be up and running. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lincoln Electric users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.